Band 15, Atomic Energy, the energy liberated by changes in the nucleus of an atom. Nuclear reaction, the process involving change in atomic nuclei, the disintegration of the atoms of elements. Nuclear fission, the splitting of an atomic nucleus by bombardment with electrons, resulting in the release of enormous quantities of energy when certain heavy elements, as uranium and plutonium, are split. Nuclear fusion, the combination of two lightweight nuclei to form a heavier and more stable nucleus. Nuclear disintegration, the emission of a proton or neutron from a nucleus as a result of its bombardment with alpha particles, protons, deuterons, or neutrons. Radioactivity, the spontaneous, uncontrollable disintegration of the nucleus of an atom with the emission of particles and rays. Radioactive decomposition, a radioactive change in which a nucleus emits a particle and rays, forming a lighter, more stable nucleus. Alpha particle, particle identical with a helium nucleus emitted from the nucleus of a radioactive atom. Beta particle, particle identical with an electron emitted from the nucleus of a radioactive atom. Gamma ray, electromagnetic radiation of very short wavelength emitted from the nucleus of a radioactive atom. Half-life, the length of time during which half of a given number of radioactive nuclei will disintegrate. Transmutation, a change in the identity of a nucleus because of a change in its number of protons. Moderator, a material that slows neutrons. Nuclear reactor, a device in which the controlled fission of radioactive material produces new radioactive substances and energy, sometimes called an atomic pile. Chain reaction, a reaction in which the material or energy that starts the reaction is also a product. Critical size, the amount of radioactive material required to sustain a chain reaction. Cyclotron, an electromagnetic device that accelerates charged atomic particles for use in bombarding nuclei of atoms. Betatron, a device that accelerates electrons. Synchrotron, an atom-smashing machine used to bombard the nuclei of atoms. Cosmotron, an atom-smashing machine used to bombard the nuclei of atoms. Bevatron, an atom-smashing machine used to bombard the nuclei of atoms. Uranium, the most complex natural element, a radioactive element used in the atomic bomb. Plutonium, one of the man-made elements used in atomic bombs. Transuranium elements, elements of higher atomic number than uranium. Geiger counter, instrument used for the detection and measurement of radioactivity. Tagged atom, a radioactive atom that can be traced or detected by a Geiger counter. X-rays, invisible electromagnetic radiations of great penetrating power. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles apparently coming from beyond our solar system.